Hi. In this video we will see how to get various information attributes about a stock in TradingView Pine script. This is what the final output would look like. We will understand this in a moment. Let's see the Pine script code now. Here we have an indicator function with the name stock info. Then we create a table where we would be showing our data. Here we show the title of the table. Then, we show various attribute names in a column, like stock name, the country of which the stock belongs to, the exchange name where this stock is traded at, the industry name to which this stock belongs, etc. Then in another column, we get all the required attribute values, using the SOMINFO variable. For example, to get the stock name, we use SOMINFO.root variable. To get the country name, we use SOMINFO.countryname, etc. Let's add this indicator to the chart and understand it. Right now, I have added this indicator to the Reliance stock chart. So you can see that the name of the stock is listed here. This is an Indian company, so the country name is shown as IN, which is the short form of India. The stock belongs to the NSE exchange, that is the National Stock Exchange of India. So, NSE is written over here. The company belongs to the oil and marketing industry, so that is mentioned here. The company primarily belongs to the energy mineral sector. This particular chart is of stock type. Other types could be futures, commodities, currency, crypto, etc. This is the description provided by the TradingView. The currency is the Indian rupee. And the time zone is Asia/Kolkata, which is in India. Let's see some other stock. Right now we are on the Tesla stock chart. We can see the country name mentioned as US. The exchange name is BATS. Industry is motor vehicles. Currency is the US dollar. And the time zone is America/New York. Let's see a commodity chart. Right now we are on the gold commodity chart. The country is India. The exchange name is MCX. And type is futures. Let's see a currency pair chart now. We are on the USD GBP chart. The type is written as Forex. The description is the US dollar/British pound. Currency is GBP, that is the British pound. Let's see a crypto chart. Right now we are on the Bitcoin chart. The type is mentioned as crypto. The description is Bitcoin/US dollar. Currency is the US dollar. So that's it. That's how you can get various information attributes about a particular stock in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.